Yeah, definitely, good one. Basically, that is what SEO is. SEO is about getting your website found on Google, and a way of doing that is through keywords. So we search on the internet day in, day out. For example, you might put in the search red shoes, for example. So you're putting in specific keywords to find a specific product or service. So then obviously from that, you're getting hundreds of websites coming up ranking in, you know, best position from what they're doing. And they basically, that's what the keywords are. You're basically opting your website for specific keywords that are then going to help you rank to get to page one. There's obviously a lot of factors when it comes to keywords, in terms of there are actually 3 types of keywords, which I'll go into quickly. For example, you have short-tailed keywords, so like the example I used, that would be a keyword like red shoes. So a short-tailed keyword is something that is less than 3 words, and they're really highly competitive because they're, I guess, a broader search. They're people who might not possibly know necessarily what they're looking for. So sometimes, depending on your business, how long you've been established on the internet and things, they're the types of keywords that could possibly be harder to rank for. You then have your long-tailed keywords. So basically that is, as it is, 3 or more keywords. So that could be like women's red shoes with glitter, for example. So you're making it become really specific to what you want. This person knows what they want. They then know what website they need to find. So again, by going for keywords like that, you're allowing your website to rank better because you're narrowing down who your audience are. The other example as well is what they call like geo keywords. And these are ones that are more like location based. So it could be that, you know, you have a shop and you only sell in a specific area such as London. So obviously, because you don't want traffic, you know, you're not going to get people coming from Scotland down to London. You're going to want to rank your website locally to make sure that your website gets found for that. And basically, this is what the keywords do. It's about, it's a series of checklists, but it's about putting your keywords into a landing page in specific ways to then get that page to rank on Google. Google's algorithm will be crawling your website day in, day out, looking for new content, looking to see what your website's about. So like we take the example of red shoes. If you have a landing page that talks all about red shoes, you've got the keyword red shoes all, you know, fluttered around that page, then Google is going to know that that page is about red shoes, the keyword, meaning that then it will help to rank it on Google.